just gonna get right into it today. This is the VenusIII palette, and right here I'm putting Dreamy into my crease as my transition shade, and we're just gonna blend that out with the fluffy blending brush. And this look, guys, is really simple look. I wanted to show you guys what I would do if I only had 20 or 30 minutes in my day, how I would do my makeup. You'll notice at the end that I don't have any mascara or eyeliner, because when I'm in a rush, I just do natural makeup, no eyeliner, no mascara, just a little bit of eyeshadow to add some color to my face. Next, you'll see me struggling to decide what brush I'm going to use. No, not that one. Aha. Anyway, so then I took Bliss and I packed that on my outer lid. This is kind of just to define my eye a little bit more, and just really bring out the color in the Venus palette. You'll see me dragging it across my crease a little bit, just so that it blends in with the transition shade. And then pop on over to the other eye, do the same thing. Now I'm actually going to take a thinner blending brush, and I'm going to take the same color and put it into the crease a little bit, starting from the center and dragging outward just to unify the crease with the lid and kind of create this like hook of eyeshadow. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's how I envision it. And then, like I said, it blends into the transition shade. And that's done. Now we're going to take a small blending brush. This one I got in an Ipsy bag. I really like it, as you can see. We're going to dip right into this one. And this is Ecstasy. And we're going to use this to deepen the shading in the crease and add a little bit more definition, more than we already have. Pop on over to the other eye. Oh shoot, now we're into Rapture. Anyway, so this is Rapture. Oh my god, the struggle. We're gonna pop this on our inner lid, and that's gonna be kind of like our highlighting shade, our base color, and we're also gonna pop some onto the brow bone later. I just got some on the brush and then sprayed it with some MAC Fix Plus, just to make sure it's a little wet so it stays on the eyelid real nice and is real pigmented. You can see that work, because you can see it in the video. Oh, also sorry that the video quality changed. I'm too lazy to fix it, and you know the struggle with making YouTube videos, and they take forever. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it. Not today. Now we're going on to the other eye. And like I said, you want to pack it, don't drag it, because if you drag it, it's going to not make it as pigmented, but you can drag when you go across the brow bone, because then you're just kind of using it as a highlight. The last thing, I'm going to blend it out, just get rid of the harsh lines, and we're done. So I popped on some makeup, natural brows, and then I popped on lip to match with my eyeshadow. I want to say it took me about 6 minutes, not sure. hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.